Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the S250 or aka the L500. I ordered this on Amazon thinking it was the LYZRC and it came in as a Jinoku or something like that. And it says the S250, so that's not what it's labeled as on their advertisement, but it looks like the same drone, just a different name brand. So anyway, we have a $48 GPS brushless motor drone that has auto return. You have auto takeoff and land. We have 90-degree camera motion. You have a bottom camera and the front facing camera. It is folding design. You have 2 rubber feet in the front, a 7.4 volt 2200 milliamp hour battery. It's a modular style battery. You get 2 of those. You're probably looking at about close to 15-20 minutes on the flight time. I haven't timed it yet, but we will eventually. And we'll have that info soon. It has a laser obstacle avoidance. You get spare props, a screwdriver, transmitter, charger. RX Drone is the app, so simply just get that from Google Play or wherever you get it from. And get that downloaded on your phone, and then you simply hook up the Wi-Fi to the drone. Select it and stay for a while until it asks you if you want to stay connected because there's no internet. Then you're good to go, and then you can go back to the app and you're connected to the camera once everything's powered on. It's an auto bind style drone, so you don't have to do anything, it just binds itself. Guys, enjoy the video. Bye. Starting the motors on your S250 or L500 drone, long press the unlock button. There you have it. Same thing to shut it off. You can also take both joysticks out and to the corner and it will do the same thing. And the same thing to shut it off again. And then you can turn the GPS off by long pressing the GPS button. Just like that. Then you'll get a notification there on the transmitter that says GPS is off right above the GPS symbol. There you have it, guys. Okay, we have satellites and we're ready to fly. Let's get started by simply pressing the unlock button. Just long press it. It's ready to go. Just push up on the joystick or hit the auto takeoff button. There it is. It's that simple, guys. GPS drones are generally pretty easy. This is a $48 drone I found on Amazon. Supposed to be LYZRC, but it's some kind of Generico or Jinsoko or some Jinsoko. There it is. Jinsoku. Best I could pronounce it. Don't know why I got that, but I did. Same drone looks like, just a different branding. Anyway. There it is, it flies. You can do follow me, it has all the GPS features. Return to home. Auto take off and land. Pretty good GPS in it. Let's get it out there and we'll do a return to home. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this, so next thing you'll see is it returning to home. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, I have the drone out a little ways and up in the air at a little higher altitude. So we're going to hit the return to home button, which is right here. You can see that. Okay. See what it does. Let's head it back this direction. Try my best to follow it for you. Okay, We're going to watch it until it lands, see how close it comes to the landing pad where it took off. Well, there you have it, folks. $48 drone. Came back pretty close to the landing pad. Looks like about 4 feet or so to the tail of the drone. Alright, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.